Okay. Fine. So, in the properties of matter, we have completed elasticity part. Now we will see the hydrostatics part. When the fluids, especially liquids, when the liquids are at rest, then what are the properties we need to study? Then liquids in motion, that is another part. So let us first of all hydrostatics. So liquids will be at rest. So hydrostatics means liquid will be at rest. So first of all, here I will do the first part, definition of fluid. Then we will see the definition of density. Then definition of relative density. Some definitions are important here. Relative density. Then definition of some specific weight. Definition of specific weight. Specific weight, specific gravity. So these are the simply definitions. Then we will go to the definition of pressure. This what is actually for us important. Definition of pressure. So variation of pressure. Variation of pressure. So this is again the place where we need to concentrate more. Okay, when the fluid is at rest, when the fluid is in motion, that is in accelerated motion and all those things. So then next we will see the Pascal's law. Very famous law and very well known law. The force of buoyancy and Archimedes principle. Archimedes principle. So this is what actually hydrostatics. So problems based on this Pascal's law and buoyancy. That is automatically we will do. So this is the content. You note down. We will start one by one. So first note down the contents. Then we will start the one by one.